Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much to all of you who always support this channel by subscribing, liking, sharing, and leaving comments. Your support truly means a lot and helps this channel keep growing. And for those of you who haven't subscribed yet, don't forget to hit the subscribe button right now so you won't miss our latest videos. All right, let's jump into today's topic. Today, we're going to talk about iTop Screen Recorder, a powerful and easy-to-use screen recording software designed for content creators, gamers, educators, and professionals. iTop Screen Recorder comes with a variety of advanced features that make screen recording and video editing much easier. One of its key features is Quick Editor, which allows you to quickly trim, cut, and adjust your recordings without complicated steps. For more professional editing needs, iTop Screen Recorder also offers an advanced editor, giving you greater control over your video with more detailed editing tools. Another standout feature is text-to-speech, which lets you convert text into natural-sounding voiceovers, perfect for tutorials and presentations. There's also a Remove Background feature that helps eliminate unwanted backgrounds from your recordings, making your videos look cleaner and more professional. If your video appears blurry, the Unblur feature can help enhance visual clarity. Meanwhile, the Denoiser feature reduces background noise, ensuring clearer and more professional audio quality. To make file sizes smaller without sacrificing quality, iTop Screen Recorder includes a compressor, which is ideal for uploading videos to YouTube or sharing them online. When it comes to recording modes, iTop Screen Recorder offers several flexible options. You can record in full screen, choose a specific area with Select Region, capture a specific application using Select Window, lock your recording to one app with Lock Window, or use Fixed Ratio for consistent video dimensions. What's even more impressive is that iTop Screen Recorder can also record your smartphone screen, whether you're using iOS or Android. Simply connect your phone to your computer or laptop, and you're ready to record. And of course, iTop Screen Recorder also supports screenshot capture, allowing you to quickly take screenshots of any part of your screen whenever you need it. Overall, iTop Screen Recorder is a complete solution for screen recording, video editing, and content creation. Simple to use, yet packed with powerful features. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.